Hi fam, in this video I'll show you how you can transfer crypto from Binance to another exchange. How you can take your crypto from Binance and send to ByBit or send to OKX or whatever exchange. So the process is going to be the same. So for this tutorial, I will show you how you can take funds from Binance and send to the ByBit exchange. If you don't know what an exchange is a place where crypto trading activity occurs or happens, where you can buy your cryptos, you can sell your cryptos, you can what convert cryptos and the likes. So as you get to see here, I currently have 86, all right, USDT. USDT is a stable coin. One USDT is the same as having $1. So this is 86 USDT. That is like the same as having $86. All right. So what I will do now is, if you don't have like a Binance account, just check the link in the description of this video. You'll be able to create your account and check my Binance playlist to know how you can create and verify your account just by using your mobile phone. So now, how are we going to transfer this one? You are going to go down to what this asset area. This asset, probably yours might be portfolio. You tap this one, okay? When you tap this one, you are going to see add funds. Yours might be deposit, and you are going to see send. Yours might be withdrawal. So add funds is the same as deposit and send is the same as withdrawal. So what you are now going to do is like you tap here, send. As you get to see, I have like different wallet here. This is my funding wallet. This is my sports wallet. This is my earn wallet and futures. Currently, the fund is in my funding wallet. So I'll go to send or withdrawal here. I'll tap here. So now there are different methods. All right, you get to select the withdrawal method you want to use. In case you want to send to another Binance user, you are going to use here. Let's say I have this Binance account and you want to pay me. So you can easily send here, or I want to pay you. I can easily just go to send to Binance user. And now I'll just ask you for your Binance ID, and you can just paste the ID here and you just send, or probably your phone number, your email that is connected to your Binance account. So I'll go back to send. Then you also have another option of withdraw through crypto. All right, so I will use the second option because I'm going to send to another exchange. Please remember, this first one is just like if like I'm sending to another Binance user. Okay, it means like you have a Binance account. I'm going to send the crypto to another Binance account. But for this one, we are taking this out of what Binance to another exchange. So I'll tap withdraw with crypto. After this one, what is going to happen? You are now going to see all the available cryptos you have available. Like I have a little bit of docs here, all right, and I have USDT, USD, United States dollar, the T for Theta, that is the company, generating this one. So this is 86. So I'll just tap the crypto, which means I'll tap this. Then now, what is now going to happen? They are now asking me for address, the network, and withdrawal. So the address is just like your bank account, if I would say, all right, just like you have your bank account or your IBAN number. So you're now going to go to the next exchange, that is ByBit or whatever exchange you are using. You copy what the USDT address and the network. So there are different network. We have TRC20, you have ERC20 and the like. This is just like we have different telecommunication, all right, operators. For example, if you're in Sierra Leone, you have Orange, we have Africell, we have QCell, Sierra. If you're in, let's say, Nigeria, you have like Glo, you have MTN and the likes. Okay, so just try to grab that concept. So what I'll do now is like I'll go to my exchange, copy the address space here and the network here, and I'll enter the amount. All right, so now let's just go to Bybit. You can go to another exchange, and let me just show you this. So far, I'm now in my Bybit exchange. Okay, if you also want to create a Bybit account, just check the link in the description of this video, or check the link pinned in the comment section to create your Bybit account. So now I have 201 USD in my Bybit account. I want to transfer more fund into my Bybit account. So what I will do is like I'll now copy my address. You are seeing deposit here. You can use this method, but easily just go down to the bottom here. You see assets. All right. You tap assets. Then now you are going to see deposit. Why you want to what deposit fund? You want to put cash. All right. You want to send cash to Bybit. So you go to what deposit and deposit crypto. All right. This is like if you want to receive from another ByBit user, I will leave this. Let's go to what? Deposit crypto. So you tap this one. Which of the crypto do you want to like deposit? So we want to send USDT. So just search for USDT and you see USDT is going to pop up. Just tap USDT. So now you have like different at the network. All right, like I mentioned about the glow orange official example. So we use like Tron because of what the fee is very cheap. You see, minimum deposit amount and it's very fast also compared to like these other ones. All right, you tend to pay a little bit of fees. So what I'll do is like I'll just tap this Tron TRC20. Then now you see a wallet address. Don't try to copy from me. I just copy here. I'll tab here. You see, copied successfully. All right. So I've copied this one. This is the one we are now going to what paste. All right. When we go back to our Binance exchange, you see here network at the top is what Tron TRC20. So this network is very important. This network must be the same with the network you are going to select when you go back to what your Binance account. So let's go back to our Binance account and now paste this. So we are back in our Binance account. So now you see long press your address to paste, okay? So we'll paste this address. This is the address we copied. Now you tab network. So you see here, I mentioned it's very important to have TRX, that is 20, TRX20, it must be the same. You tap this one. Now the minimum withdrawal here is 10 USDT. So if you want to withdraw 10, you can withdraw 10. So I'll tap all. All right. I will tap all. I want to send all, and you're going to see withdraw here. I'll tap withdraw. Then now you can just confirm like you want to do the withdrawal. This is summary. Then at the end of the day, you can now enter your password. Okay. You can now just what enter your password. So I'm going to use my authenticator app. So I'll just enter my password and yeah, wait for this cash. So now we do our processing. All right, it's going to take like a minute for this 86 USDT to move towards my Binance. From this USDT from Binance, sorry, to move to my ByBit. So let's wait for this to arrive. Remember, I have like 201 USDT, so we are expecting about 286 to 87 USDT on my ByBit now. Okay, in total. Let's see.
A few moments later.
So far, our USDT is now in our ByBit account, as you get to see here. So look at the top here, you see the notification icon. If we tab in, then we are going to see our notification. Okay, so you see there valid ByBit here that your deposit has been confirmed. Deposit 85.6. Okay, with a little bit of fee that was deducted. Okay, so now this is how you transfer funds from what Binance to what another exchange. This can be ByBit, this can be KuCoin, can be OKX MEXC. All right, all the exchanges that I'm using are in the description of this video, and they are very beginner friendly, and I have tutorials for all of them. Okay, so if you do have any question, just drop them in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond within 24 hours. And make sure you join our Telegram community. The link is also in the description. I share free resources, checklists, and technical tools as well. All right, in the Telegram community. Thanks a lot, fam. Stay blessed. I'm Josao from Sierra Leone, West Africa.